Okay, good morning everyone. Last time we learned exercise in the chapter numbers up to 100. We learned 3 exercises. Now exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4. In that exercise we learning from 301 to 400 numbers. 301 to 400 numbers. That is the homework for you also. Write 301 to 400 numbers. Right? Numbers from 301 to 400. That is the homework first. You also students. Numbers from 301 to 400. Okay. In that exercise, they gave complete the following table. Complete the following table. Complete the following table. In exercise 3.1 we learn like that only. Here table gave number 100, tens, ones, expanded form, place value, abacus. Okay. First number 324. Here number gave 324. In that we want to write place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, place value. Okay. Here in hundreds place which number? 3. Tens place 2. Ones place 4. After expanded form, we want to write expand. And how many hundreds? 300 plus 20 plus 4. This is the expanded form. 300 plus 20 plus 4. Place value 300 plus 2 tens plus 4 ones. This is the place value. After abacus. Abacus. Ones place which number are there? 4. We want to draw 4 beads. Tens place 2 beads. Hundreds place 3 beads. Number is 324. Here down we want to write number name. 300 and 24. 324. Okay, this is exercise 3.4. After exercise 3.5. Exercise 3.5. In exercise 3.5, we learning numbers from 401 to 500. 401 to 500. Okay, children, you write numbers from 401 to 500. Next, exercise 3.6. Exercise 3.6. See, in exercise 3.6, first Roman, fill in the boxes. Using greater than, less than or equal to. Okay, greater than, less than or equal to. We learning in 3.6. Already we know greater than, less than or equal to. Now, see first one, 425 okay, greater than, less than or equal to. first number see 420, here two numbers give 425, 425. First we want to see first number. Already last time we learned greater than less than are in that. Okay, we want to see two sides first number, here 4, here 4. Okay, two are equal. Two are equal means after we want to see second number, here 2, here also 2, these two also equal. Next we want to see the third number, here 5 gave, here also 5. 3 are equal because here is symbol is equal to. Here two numbers are equal. Here symbol is equal to. Next B 466, 366. Here first we want to see first number. In the two numbers we want to see first number. Here 4, here 3. 4 is greater than 3. Here we want to write greater than symbol. Okay, here we want to write greater than number because first number is greater than. In these two numbers, this number is greater than. Here 4 gave, here 3 gave. This number are greater than. Two are equal means after we want to see second number. Okay, indeed 4 is greater, 3 is small number because this number is greater than this number. Okay, 466 is greater than 366. Next number. Here 488, here 489 give. We want to see first number. First number 2 are same. Next second number. Second number 2 are also same. 8 and 8, 2 are same. Next we want to see third number. Here 8 give, here 9 give. Okay, here 8 and here 9. Which is 8 is smaller. 9 is big number. 8 is small number. 9 is big number because here is less than symbol means. This number is small number because this is less than. 488 is less than 489. Okay. Next D. Here 310, here 312. First we want to see first number. 3 and 3 are same. Next second number. 1 and 1 are same. Next third number. Here 0, here 2. 0 is less than. 0 is small number than 2 because here is also less than symbol. This number is small than this number because here less than symbol. Next one. Next 378 and 400. First we want to see first two numbers. Here 3, here 4 give. 3 is less than 4. 3, 4 kante chinnadi. Kabatti here less than. Okay, like that less than, greater than or equal to. Next Roman, circle the greater number. Circle the greater number. Circle the greater number. Here see 201, 101, 401. Here three numbers gave. We want to circle the greater number. Greater number means big number ni manam circle cheyali. ఎలా తెలుస్తుందమ్మా? ఫస్ట్ చూడండి, ఇందాక మనం ఎలా అయితే గ్రేటర్ దాన్ లెస్ దాన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు చూసామో సేమ్ అలాగే చూద్దాం ఇక్కడ కూడా. ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ అండర్లైన్ చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 2, 1, హియర్ 4. ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 2, ఇందులో ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 1, ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ 4. Which is the big number? 2 or 1 or 4 or which is the big number? Greater number. 4 is the greater number. Here 401 is the greater number. We want to circle it. Okay. 401 is the greater number. Next. Second one. 424, 484, 414. Like that they gave three numbers. We want to see circle the greater number. Okay. Here also we see first numbers. First numbers same. Here 4, here 4, here also. For first numbers 3 are same. Next we want to see that number second number. Here 2, here 8, here 1. Here 2, 8, 1. Which is the greater number? 2 or 8 or 1 or which is the greater number? 8 is the big number. because this one is the big number. 484 is the big number. First మనం ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్స్ చూసుకుంటాము. అవి అన్ని సేమ్ గా ఉంటే సెకండ్ నెంబర్ కి వెళ్తాము. వాటిలో ఏదైతే బిగ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో అది గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సర్కిల్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్. సర్కిల్ ద స్మాలెస్ట్ నెంబర్. Circle the smallest number. First one, 125, 400, 208. 208. In these three numbers, we want to circle the smallest number. Before we see, no, like that only here see first numbers. Here 1, here 4, here 2. 1, 4, 2. Which is the smallest number? 1 or 4 or 2? Which is the, in these three numbers, which is the smallest number? 1 is the smallest number because this is the smallest number. 125 is the smallest number. Next Roman. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order or in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. First one, 345, 335, 365, 315, 325. Here, arrange the following numbers in ascending order and descending order. Each numbers ni ascending order or descending order lo arrange cheyali. Ronditlo ascending order lo arrange cheyali, descending order lo kuda arrange cheyali. See first ascending order. Okay, ascending order. See, first we want to see first numbers. We are seeing first numbers all are same 3. First numbers all are same 3. Next second numbers 4, 3, 6, 1, 2. Second numbers underline cheskondi. First numbers all same. Next మనం ఏం చేస్తాము, సెకండ్ నంబర్స్ ని అండర్లైన్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఓకే, సెకండ్ నంబర్స్ ని అండర్లైన్ చేసుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ నెంబర్స్ ఏమున్నాయి, 4, 3, 6, 1, 2. 4, 3, 6, 1, 2. వీటిలో అన్నిటికంటే స్మాల్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి, 1. 1 is the small number అన్నిటికంటే. కాబట్టి ఇది 315 is the small number. Next small number 325. 2 small. Next after 3 is the small number, 335. Next small number 345. Next small number 350, 65. This is the ascending order, small number to big number. See, వచ్చిన small number to big number 315, 325, 335, 345, 365. Okay, next descending order. Descending order కూడా అలాగే చూడండి. ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్ సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు సెకండ్ నెంబర్స్ తీసుకుంటాం. 4, 3, 6, 1, 2. వీటిలో బిగ్ నెంబర్ ఏదమ్మా, 6. 365. నెక్స్ట్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ 345. నెక్స్ట్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ 335. నెక్స్ట్ 325. నెక్స్ట్ 315. Like that ascending and descending order. Ascending order means small number to big number. Descending order means big number to small number. Like that we arrange. Okay.